How to add a song to TikTok that isn't there. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then, simply click on the plus button at the bottom. After you've clicked on the plus button, film your video and go to the next page. After that, at the top, you'll find Add Sound. Click on Add Sound. Then click on the search icon in here. Discover more sounds. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here at the top, scroll to the left and click on Your Sound. And click on Import Sound from Video. After that, you'll find all your videos pop up. Select the video you want to import sound from and click on Import Sound from Video at the bottom. After you've done that, it will import your sound. You will find it in here. Simply click on the sound to use it and click on the tick mark. After you click on the tick mark, in here you'll find scissor-like option. Simply click on the scissor icon in here. After that, you will be able to drag where to start from, then press on done. After that, the sound will be added. This is how to add a sound to TikTok that isn't there. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.